Hey guys, how's it going? Wow, so many people today, not bad. Did you guys get notification today? Did you guys get any notification today? Okay, awesome. We'll start in like 2 minutes, yeah? Today you got it right. Yesterday, yeah, we changed the notifications last night. Today you should get. We'll start in a minute, guys. No, I've just muted myself. We'll start in 1 minute, yeah? I think a lot of people missed out on yesterday's doubt solving session, sadly, right? A lot of people missed out on yesterday's doubt solving session. Did you guys miss out on the doubt solving session? Yeah. No, I think today you guys got notified, right? Today it should be good enough. Today everyone got notified. Okay, we'll start in a minute either way. Okay. Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, did you guys see the reaction of the market today? I mean, it was quite obvious, right? If you guys saw what is happening in the market today. Do you guys know why it was quite obvious? Market fell down by actually market was up quite a bit up in the morning till almost 1 o'clock. After that, not even 1 o'clock, almost till 12:30, and after 12:30 the market suddenly crashed, and it crashed down to minus 333 points. Right, banking went down, auto went down, all the financial industries went down. Everything, basically, almost everything went down. Right now, why is this happening? Can someone tell me why is this happening? Right? Why did it go down today? Any idea? Profit booking, yeah. Because yesterday, what happened is the market went up so high, also, right? So when the market goes up so high, it also has to do something known as profit booking. So it has to come down also. Can't keep going up all the time, right? So that is exactly what happened. So the market went down today. Market went down by how much? 333 points. Market fell. Nifty also fell by 104 points, which is always 1:3 kind of a ratio that Nifty keeps falling. But this is how the market kept going down, right? Now, don't worry, because it'll be better, right? The market will do better. I'll tell you why. Because it is just a minor correction that happens, and this is just a correction what we saw in the market right now. Eventually, after a point, the market will go back up again and restore itself to the original levels. But the problem is now it has gone down, That's why I said don't worry that the market will definitely come back up eventually, right? Now, when it will come back up, what will happen? What's up? Don't ask me, but it will eventually come back up. That's it. Yeah. Okay, averaging day. Yes, today would be an averaging day. But if you look at one good thing, right? If you look at our stocks that we are tracking constantly, those didn't go down that much. Did you notice that? Even though it went up yesterday, it rallied yesterday. Our other stocks didn't go down so much. So that means would that still be considered a good thing, right? Everything else crashed, market crashed, but our stocks didn't crash. So I would consider that as a win, right? If market crashed and our stocks didn't crash, I would take that as a win for sure, any single point of that time. Now that is a good news for me, right? Why? Because okay, my stock portfolio didn't go down. My stock portfolio is still going up. So I'm happy from Lotus is doing great. Yes, Lotus is doing great. Um, yeah. So that is exactly what is going on. Now let's look at something else. What else is happening in the world of finance? One second, guys. By the way, there was also a recent news article that came out about Subex. Did you guys see that? It talks about how Subex came out from the ashes, came out like a phoenix. And when I was reading that article, I was like, damn, I can't believe I had predicted this before this even happened, right? I can't believe all this was predicted before this even happened. So that was what it is. Okay, they're talking about there's not much of good news. Okay. By the way, do you guys know about someone yesterday was talking about this thing, right? Yes. So a lot of people missed out on yesterday's session, sadly. A lot of people were talking about this. What do you call that? A lot of people are talking about Yes Bank's thing in the future, right? Yes Bank was raising funds again. It might be doing well, but a lot of people are questioning whether this is good for the long-term perspective or not, right? And I honestly, a lot of people ask me that whether it's good for Yes Bank's long-term perspective. I cannot tell you confirm whether it's good or bad because even we don't know what is exactly happening. Even though yes, they have their fundraising plans and all that is going on, we can never be too sure. We can never be too sure about what's happening with Yes Bank, right? Because once they had done something similar, which was slightly bad, but again now we can see what they might do. We don't know what they'll do exactly. We don't know what they'll do, but let's see, right? Awesome. Not much good news, man, over here. This is quite sad. Car 24 to put vehicle buying in. This is very sad. Like literally, there's nothing interesting with respect to if you call it finance news. There's barely anything interesting with respect to finance news, which is so sad. Right? We would just want something that is very interesting, but there's nothing there. Let's do one thing. Okay, equity mutual funds see net inflow of 10,000 crores in May. Okay, so in the month of May, a lot of people have started investing in equity and equity mutual funds, right? Not debt mutual funds. I'm talking about equity mutual funds. So a lot of people are inviting about that. El Salvador bill of Bitcoin, yes, that got passed. The El Salvador, then a lot of people apparently are going on El Salvador's website. Apparently, they're going on El Salvador's website to actually check out whether it is how to buy houses and all that. It seems some nonsense shit. All these Bitcoin millionaires, they want to do all these type of nonsense things only, right? But again, it's not that easy, guys. If you really want to buy go buy something like that, it's not that easy for you to go buy something like that. Again, you have to also save a lot of Bitcoin for that exact entity, right? There's another news that says here a $57 billion manager is betting big on the cyclical stocks in India. So a lot of people are betting big on the. This is who it is basically. What do you call it? ICICI Prudential Asset Management Firm. The fund manager of ICICI Prudential is basically saying that the cyclical stocks in India might be doing really well, and a lot of people are buying cyclical stocks. A lot of people are investing heavily on cyclical stocks. But also don't forget now that if you see this, what is happening is you look at the chemical industry and you look at all other industries, right? They have something known as China plus one that is coming out very soon. So don't forget about that China plus one. China plus one is basically the China is also coming back into the game. Let's call it coming back into the game. And what they're doing is once they come back into the game, they'll all start undercutting the entire finances, which is quite normal. And once they do that, everything will go back to normal, and all our Indian competition, all the chemical sector stocks, will all start doing really bad again. Not bad, but they will all start losing market share. So that is something important for everyone to check out. Apart from that, guys, there's not anything interesting today. Let me do one thing. Let me again take some few people because a lot of people missed out on yesterday's session. Let me take a few people on stage and let me talk to them today also. So if you guys want to come online and do come online, you can come online and we can do this, right? So just click on ask to speak and we will come online and we can do something like this. Okay, click on ask to speak. Wow, it's 456 people. Click on ask to speak. I'm just going to take a few people on stage. Yeah, one by one you can go, guys.
Hello, hello.
Hmm.
This is Sahil.
This is who?
That
Hello.
cine wala guy. Cine wala. Hello. Huh. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, man.
Yes. So I wanted to know about debt mutual funds. What is it? Like I don't
Debt
know.
mutual funds is basically okay. Equity mutual fund invest in the equity market. Debt mutual funds invest in the debt market. So there's a whole thing called debt
Like
market. Debt market.
debentures.
Yeah, debts. Basically, a company issue debts, right? Bonds, right? They'll issue bonds and say, okay, you give
Hmm.
us money right now, and we will give you money from that perspective, right? We will give you some percentage of interest back. So that is basically what they do. That's it.
Oh,
So that is the debt market.
cool. Thanks, man.
Yeah. Awesome. Scene. What else?
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, Shashank. Gaurav
Hi.
here. Hi.
Hi,
So
Gaurav.
for a 25-year-old guy, is it a good time to invest in insurance, or it is good better to invest in stock market, health
Why would
insurance
you
or
ever
life insurance?
invest in insurance as an investment? It's not investment. Insurance. What is insurance?
Yeah. No, sorry, not an investment, but as a means, it is right time to do means to pay for health insurance and wealth, or 30
Health
or
insurance or
35
life
years,
insurance?
both health and life policy insurance.
See, health you should either way keep, right? Health always you should keep. If no if and buts about health.
Okay.
Don't leave health aside because health is something that you will always need in life. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Now, if you talk about life insurance, that is something that you don't need at all. Not at least not now.
Okay.
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 You don't need life insurance at this point. Health insurance you definitely need because something wrong can happen to you and that can create an issue, right? But you
Oh.
don't need life insurance for sure.
Oh. So any good recommendations?
I made a whole video on health insurance. You can go check it out. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Yeah.
Hey Shashank, Deepak here.
So, Deepak,
Yeah, my question to you is generally what is your trading strategy during these times? Like the market are generally at very high now.
average. So I basically just invest, dude. I don't think too much about when, how, what. I just keep buying good stocks because I know good stocks will always give me much better returns in the future. So I keep buying them. If it goes up, great. If it goes down, I average them. But I'm only looking at it from a 5 year perspective, not a 1 year perspective. From that perspective, I keep buying.
Yeah, so generally when you say the 5 year perspective, so is it from now or you have some baseline from the previous years or something like that?
Mhm. From today, right? I have a
Okay,
set of stocks that I believe in the future will do well. So I keep buying them. I just don't stop. I just keep buying them.
okay, and then that those portfolios should only contain about 10 to 15 stocks, right?
Yeah, approximately that should be good for you. 10 to 15.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I had one more question. So sometimes the events comes like the market is about 15 to 20% down. In that time, also you average or you just try to book some profit as well. Yes. So like you
Never
have been
book.
investing
I
in
never
those
book. So I'll
stocks
tell you
for
what,
three
I
to
never
four
book.
years.
See, I never book profit until and unless for two reasons, right? One, I really need the money. And two, the stocks that I bought is fundamentally wrong. Something's gone bad. If these two are the cases, I exit. Apart from that, I don't exit at all.
Okay. Thanks, Ashan.
Okay. Thank you, Deepak.
Hey
Hi,
Shashank.
Kushan.
Hey man.
Sorry.
Okay, okay. Yeah, hi. I'm Aditya.
Yeah, Aditya, tell me.
Yeah, so I had quite a few questions. So the first one is like, I just started investing from this March. So I tend to put somewhere close to like 5,000 to 7,000 monthly basis. So
Hmm.
if you like, I've heard quite a few people talking about like saying that put for a leading ones in the particular their sectors. Like if you try to put on like Britannia or Bajaj Finance or something, I can barely manage to get one or two shares of it. Instead of that, if I can find one small stock or two small stocks which are fundamentally strong and they have a good future for next 5 or 10 years, is it
Yeah.
worthy putting there, or is it worthy going back to
If you're
the
young,
leading
it is
ones?
definitely worth putting that if you're a young human being, right? I'm assuming you're young, so it is definitely worth playing that long game. But I hope it's a good fundamentally researched stock and not a bad one. That way.
Yep. That's the one thing. Like it's fundamentally, for example, like Prince Pipes, as what you have suggested, and I have checked it as well. So
Hmm.
Prince Pipe is good, and it's a small cap now. So instead of I putting for a Supreme one, like I could manage to get like only two or three. If I put for a Prince Pipe, I'll get more, and if it does, it's going to do well in future. So it'll be a good return to me in the future.
Yeah, yeah, it is. If you want to average it out like that, you want to buy good stocks, definitely buy good stocks that is small, right?
Okay, like this was
100%.
like one of the doubts, like so I was not sure, so I just needed some help through that.
Yeah, yeah. No, definitely do that. Definitely do.
Uh,
Pick some
and
small
like
stocks.
one more
Bajaj
thing.
Finance and all is very, very big already. Like it's very slow growth.
Yeah, like it's growing there. It's already at its peak. So this is small, so it has a way larger scale to grow. So if it's fundamentally strong, it has a brighter future than that to give me out better returns.
Yeah.
And like assume I buy one stock, like I got Happy Minds, so I have got already 50% of return. Like it's given me 50% return, but it's
Very good.
fundamentally strong, so I'm planning to hold it for a very long time. So should I just like try booking profits or just let it be and add few more so that it'll give me a way better return in the future ahead?
Dude, Happiest Minds is a stock that just went IPO now. It is going to be really good in the future. It's not even where it's supposed to be right now. So if you really need the money, pull it out. If you don't need the money, why do you want to pull it out and profit book and find something else? It's all about, I told you, right? It's like a train. There's fast train, there's slow train, and there's trains that don't move. If something was on a fast track, you want to remove that and you want to get out of that train and maybe try looking for another fast train when there's already something that is a fast train, right? So why would you want to
Yeah.
take that risk?
Yes.
Okay, it might
No, because like
correct for like 10%, might correct 20%, average it more, it'll go up another 50-60% in the future.
okay, okay, yeah.
Got it?
And yes, I got it. And I'm putting on mutual funds large cap as well. So like I made a stupid mistake of buying two of it, so it overlapped by 65%. So I'm putting there. When I'm trying to purchase a stock, should I tend to look for a medium, mid cap, and small cap so that I don't
I
overbalance
think
it
you
even
should put
more?
mid cap more than small cap. I rather suggest mid cap, maybe 10% in small cap and 40. I think you can do 40%, 40, 45, 40% mid cap, 50%, sorry, 40% large cap, 50% mid cap, and around 10% small cap.
Okay. Or can I just like stop the mutual fund which I'm doing? Like I can switch to index and small cap, so that might be
Index, no
balanced
man.
out. And here
Index
I
good, but it's for people who don't understand anything. You want better returns, you do this.
okay, okay, okay,
Okay?
okay. That's it.
Awesome.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Hi Shashank. I'm Parth.
Hey Parth, how are you?
I'm great. So my question was recently RBI issued one thing that the stock market is forming a bubble that despite GDP is falling, the stock market is just soaring high. So I was planning to buy what do we say small basket.
Hmm.
So is it a good time or should I wait more because I'm
Small
really
basket in what?
huh?
Small basket of what? Can you repeat the question?
uh, Capital Minds. I was planning to buy a Capital Minds basket. from
Huh.
small cases.
Okay.
So after this, RBI issued one thing that this might form a bubble, like it is soaring despite it is not in coherence with the current economical
Correct.
conditions.
Correct. Correct.
So should I invest, because it's a huge capital that I'm trying to get into with. So what should be my
Then if
strategy?
you're worried about huge capital, then I would suggest maybe not do it, and maybe do an SIP and distribute that over 12 months. Then, if you're really so scared.
No, like is it a topic to be scared on, or
No,
you
see,
should be
that's what it
fearless?
depends on people, right? If you ask me, I don't care because if see, I keep investing every month, right? Every month I keep investing. Okay. Now, if you're saying there is a correction that is supposed to happen, definitely a correction is pending, right? 10-20% market has to correct again, right? When that happens, I invest more, right? I keep investing every month and I average it out. Now, if you're doing a lump sum investment and you're scared about this, then don't do lump sum investment. Do SIP kind of an investment. If you have 1 lakh, invest 10,000 every month and don't put it in capital man, put it in something else.
Oh, okay, get it. And one more question. You just mentioned that life insurance isn't required right now. But if we say, like, do you have any particular reason why not take term insurance of 40
Okay,
years
tell
or
me one
something
thing.
like that?
Why is life insurance important?
If I lose my life, my family gets the rebate of it.
Correct. Now, at your age, which is 20, 21, 22, even if something happens to you, do you think your family will still manage and survive?
Right.
It's not like mere bete pe pura staying, right? Unless you're
Uh,
the sole breadwinner of the family and your family is very poor and they don't do anything, then yes, take a term life because worst case they'll be very happy than what they are right now, right?
right.
So even if you want to take a term right now, even if you want to take term life right now, you can't go take a 10 crore, 15 crore, 20 crore kind of a thing, right? Because the premium will be so big, so cool. So big the premium will be. Would you want to afford something like that? And there's nothing that's going to happen to you. It's going to happen to you if you something really happens to you, it'll be much later than that. And your
Right.
parents will do just fine, right? It is more important for your father or mother to do it, right? That is more important because they are the sole breadwinners right now of the family. You get my
Yeah,
point?
makes
So
sense.
if you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
a family that's depending on you, like they're not well to do, but you have just come with this new job in an IT firm and you're doing it well, then you definitely take agreed, no problem. But if that is not the case and your family is well to do, then you grow your income, no, at the early days. And once you get married, once you have your own family, once your dad retires, then the entire onus of building, getting money in the family is on whom? It's on you, right?
Yeah, right.
That's when you get a insurance.
Because I
When
was
you
just watching it and it says the younger you are, the lesser the premium is. So I just
correct,
thought
why
for
is that? You
40 years
understand
thing it
understand
is.
that, no? Correct, but understand why is the case. The younger you are, the lesser the premium. I agree. Okay, why is that? Because the chances of you actually dying when you're young is very less, no?
Yeah,
Correct.
correct. Yeah.
So that's a way of, yes, you can buy if you want, right? In fact, it is cheaper at an early age. So if you're the sole breadwinner, it's very advantageous for you. But if you're not the sole breadwinner, then you pay premium for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. What's the point? Tell me.
Yeah,
Chalo, you
right,
paid,
absolutely
nothing
right.
happened to you, now what?
Right,
Could you have
right.
not saved that money and grown it by 20% or 15% or even 10%?
Right, right, right.
So that is the logic, boss.
Yeah, got it.
That's only
Thanks,
if it's
Shashank.
a sole breadwinner you buy something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
So thank you, Parth. Hope that answered a lot of people's questions in the chat also. Awesome. Go ahead, guys.
Hi Shashank.
Hi Shashank, Klaus here.
Hi, both of y'all in 1% talk.
Okay, I go on mute.
Okay, so Shashank, I'm a new investor. Just started this week. I saw your small case video.
Okay.
Before seeing your small case video, I was in the MI all cap one was in my watch list,
Wait, who's
and this week
talking?
I
Can you please tell
invested.
the name? I have no idea who's talking.
It's it's Klaus,
It's who?
Klaus.
Okay. Okay, cool. Go ahead.
Further down the list, I cannot even see myself. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, even I can't see you. Go ahead. It's fine.
Yeah. So even before the small case video, I had was listed that MI alt cap one. And this week I bought it for, I think, I put in a lump sum of 3 lakhs. But now, seeing every other day the market is going up and down, and the day the market is up, I'm happy. The day it's going down, I'm like worried. So it's a new thing for
Yeah.
me. So do you have any idea like how long does it take to get used to this?
Yeah, very easy. Delete all your stock market apps and sit down. Install it once in 3 months. You can't keep
Yeah,
looking
but
at it, man. That's one thing that you have to stop doing. I know it's not very easy to say don't keep looking, but you can't keep looking. That's the problem. The more you look, the more you get tempted, and the more you make stupid decisions. Also, right? If I keep looking, I will do something wrong. The market might fall one day, and I'll be like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, I need to sell it. And there you go. You would have lost an opportunity, and you will lose a lot of things, more than opportunity, right?
but with this MI all cap one, it gives rebalance update every
Sorry,
week.
sorry,
So I have to. Yeah, I said with the MI
I
all
can't
cap
hear you,
one,
man.
it gives you cannot. Hello,
You're talking too softly. Yeah, your voice is too low. I can't hear you.
can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Better. Yeah.
yeah, better, better,
So
better.
I was just saying with the MI all cap one, it has to rebalance every week, so I have to keep a check on that, right?
Yeah, so keep. That's fine. Just don't get so thing into it, right? Okay, you saw it, you finished it, you figured it out. Okay, leave it. That's all. You rebalance it and leave it. Why don't dwell too much into it? You should not get emotionally attached to it, right? That's what I'm saying.
Uh, just one last thing. As I told you, I put a lump sum of 3 lakhs. Do you think I should
Okay.
have done an SIP?
I don't know, man. That's up to you and how you invest. If you have a fixed monthly income, then you should continue with the SIP also.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Klaus.
Hi, Shashank.
Yeah. Hi, man.
Yeah,
Who's this?
Shashank, this is Tonmoy.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, yesterday's session was outstanding. A lot of knowledge. My only question is with the emergency fund, which you told us to have it at least 3 or 6 months of your salary. That so the emergency fund should be ideal in the bank account, or we can invest somewhere so that the
No,
liquidity of the emergency.
liquid
Yeah.
investment. Liquid investment. It can be a mutual
Okay.
fund. It can be a particular stock. It can be whatever it is. Basically, if you require it, it should be out. That's all I'm saying. Should be able to
Okay.
pull
The
out as.
liquidity should be faster. Okay. Got it. Got it.
Don't put in a fixed deposit or something.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. That's all I had. But wonderful crypto session. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, did you guys like the crypto session yesterday? Everyone else? I forgot to ask feedback on that. Was it informative? Because see, for me, it's difficult to understand. Because for me, a lot of concepts I already know. Like for me, it's like normal concepts. I'm like, yeah, for me, it's very normal. But maybe for you guys, it's first time you're listening to something like that or you're hearing something like that, right? So for me, it might be normal, but for you guys, it might be something amazing or great. So that's why I would love to take feedback all the time to figure out whether it's good or bad. Yeah, but I hope you guys liked it. It's good, right? Is it on YouTube? Yeah, man, it's on YouTube. Was it a little dense? Yeah, because the reason why it's a little dense is because the topic itself is such that it is dense, right? So it is like too much. Anyway, continue. Next question. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Hello. Everyone's so silent, bro.
Hello.
Hi, Shashank.
Anishwar, tell me.
Yeah, hi, this is Anishwar from Hyderabad. So I'm not able
What's
to
up?
decide between index fund and a large cap fund. So the scenario is like if
Yeah.
if an index fund is giving you 13% and is charging you 0.10% as expense ratio,
Okay.
and a large cap fund is giving you 15% but charging 1% as expense ratio. Which one would you go with?
What gives me absolute return?
Sorry,
Find out what gives you the absolute percentage return.
like I didn't get it.
Okay. Tell me what is the first scenario? Index fund at how much percentage and what is the expense ratio? Tell me.
13% around,
And what is the
and the
expense
expense
ratio?
ratio was 0.10%.
Okay, so it's still 13% only, right?
Yeah,
Barely any expense ratio. And what about the large
yeah,
cap fund?
it's giving 15% with
And
1%
how much is
expense
it?
ratio.
How much?
1%, 1%,
What is your total absolute gains on that?
14%.
Yeah. So what is better?
Okay, the large cap one,
Yeah. Why is large cap better?
more returns. Is it that?
Yes. And what do you want in life?
More returns.
That's all. See, simple.
But I've mostly heard
Why?
that index funds are outperforming the funds, other funds, right? I'm not able to go upon more than that kind of thing.
Correct. If you're saying index funds are outperforming, but you have found a large cap fund that is outperforming.
I got a full clarity. Yeah. So the next question was, it might be silly, but I wanted to know how these market go up and down. Yes, I know because it depends on the outside situations and all.
Hmm.
Does it only depend on the people selling and buying it? Does the market go up and down like 47,000, 50,000? How does
Yeah, it's
that
only on demand
determine?
supply, man. It's on demand supply.
Okay.
Number of buyers versus number of sellers. Now, why the number of buyers and sellers change is because of 100 other issues, lot of
Yeah.
variables. But
Okay.
mainly it is, yeah, it's just demand supply.
Okay. Thanks, Sashank.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello,
Yeah.
I'm audible.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Shivakumar. Brother, but I cannot find the paid small case on the website, brother.
How,
Is
dude?
that a
I showed you, on that video.
yeah? But is there any separate portfolio for that, or we just need to search for it?
Do one thing, go to my YouTube video and click on the paid small case link. It'll automatically take you to the paid small case.
Okay, okay, sure. I didn't watch it fully.
Nah, that's why. If you do cheating and do shortcuts like this, then what? How can I do anything? Full easily I've explained. Now you want to take shortcuts in life, what I can do? I've explained everything. I've opened the paid small case. I've shown each paid small case. I've shown you how to read it. If you do cheating and all, what I can do, bro, Shiva? Why you are doing like that? You don't like to see me talk about for so long.
No, brother, no, brother.
If I'm boring, you can tell me, bro. Like it's fine. What I can do.
No, it's not boring, but I am not curious into small case. I want to do it on my own self, myself. Yeah.
If
So
you're
only I skip.
if you want to do on your own, then why you want to know how paid small cases work? Because until you pay, you can't
Yeah,
open. You
yeah,
have to
but
pay.
I am curious about the returns you are talking about. Like they are constantly giving 10% returns. So I want to check that out. How can these people
No, but that is
constantly
only
get
now,
that
man.
percentage?
Now that is only now because the market is good now, right? In the future, you won't get 10% returns. No, not even close to 10% returns, right? Maybe you'll get 10% returns or 15%, 12% returns in a year.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah, that's what I hear.
Yeah, so don't forget that the current market is overvalued, not overvalued, but the current market we're in a bull rally. Okay,
Yeah,
so all of you who are seeing the stock market, don't think this is exactly how the stock market is. It is, and this is how it will work. Don't think that way. It will definitely change. Okay,
okay, brother.
10% in a year, you should be very very happy. You should be dancing if you get 10-15% a year.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Okay, watch my video fully, or else it is no point.
Hello,
Okay,
Sushant.
okay, brother.
Okay, thank you, man.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, that was Manav, right?
Yeah, Shiva, Shiva.
Shiva, Shiva. Okay, cool. Yeah, go ahead, man.
Hello, Sushank Manav this side. Hello.
Sushant, I'm not
Am I
Sushant,
audible?
bro.
Sorry for
Yeah, but my name is not
it's
Sushant.
sorry.
Don't say Sushant,
Uh,
Sushant and all, bro. So then case will come off on me.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. It's my tongue twist. Sir,
Yeah,
first
yeah.
I would say that, sir, there is myth. My myth, like I don't think there is a bubble in market. What I think, people start investing and circulation flow of money. Like I read an article where growth mentioned that people start investing like more than 20%. Like 2019, more than 20% increase in stock market. So I don't think so. There is bubble in the stock market. What's your take on?
Okay. So if you ask Sushant, he doesn't know. But if you ask Shashank, no, what I would say is it's not about a bubble. It's just a correction, not a bubble, right? Correction means it is right now. Definitely, there are a lot of stocks in the market that are trading very high from their PE. So whenever that happens, it needs to correct little bit. It has to come down a little bit, and then once it comes down a little bit, it is fine. All the industry experts are saying that we are in a correction mode, right? It is a not a bubble, but we are in a zone where it is slightly higher. Now, Manav, you're saying that I don't believe in them. I do. I think it is not a bubble. It's not a bubble, definitely not. It is a correction that is bound to happen. That's all. Simple.
They might be increase their share 1 or 2%. They came down, but this is not happen like all the market are crash one day and like near. This is not gonna happen.
Correct.
And
Obviously, dude. All these people, they don't know what they're talking about, man. Simply, they're
sir,
not
my question is, I wanna talk about Avalon Meta scene. Like, how can I invest in Avalon Meta scene?
very good question. You can't, bro. So that is a private thing, private shares. We are not listed on the stock market, not yet. So if it's not listed in the stock market, you cannot invest in Avalon Metascene. So the way to invest in companies is you have to find out who the founders are, become friends with the founders, and tell the founders, please take my money. And if the founders agree, they'll take your money, or else they can't.
And sir, my next question is,
Wait,
what are the view?
first you tell me how many questions you have.
Sir, approx four, only four question.
Are we? Oh, I feel like Amitabh Bachchan now. KBC is going. Go for it.
No, sir. KBC is not. Sir, what
Two
your
questions are
view about
over.
that? Sir, I only take Avalon Meta scene
I know.
question because I am too curious about Avalon Meta
Hello.
scene.
Hello.
Hello, may I
Sorry,
audible?
can you repeat? Yes, yes. Tell
Like,
me, Manav.
what are the view about Avalon Meta scene uh, for a long term perspective? What your take on?
Bro, I don't know what will happen next month. What will I tell you? That's the life of startup world, right? It's all about struggling hard and trying to build a good product so that people like it and people use it. Now, so many people like it and use it right now. Now the next thing is, if so many people like to use it right now, then how many people will like to use it in the future? Will it grow? Will Can we build a great app? 100 questions. So from a long term perspective, I to get paid from it, so I have to be like, yes, it is good from long term perspective. But realistically, I don't know. We're going with the flow, right? We're building, we're seeing how people react. It's like building your own company from scratch.
Okay. Do you think after 5 years, Avalon
Is
Meta
this third
would
question
be
or fourth
listed?
question? Is this third question or
Yeah,
fourth question?
this is third question.
Third question. Okay,
Okay.
go for it. Hi.
Do you think Google? Do you think after 5 years, Avalon Meta scene would be listed on stock market exchange?
Do you think? No, definitely not. Not in 5 years.
Okay.
Not at all.
So,
Why
sir,
you want to buy the
sir,
stock? No.
no, sir. I wanna want to the basic now. I want to Griff investment like Griff investment. I want to like pre-purchase shares of Avalon Meta scene. What?
Ah, you're trying to do a little scam, huh? You want to buy in gray market. So you're trying to ask the founder, can you give me
No.
some stock in the gray market?
Okay. Sir, I have. Can I share my business model for growing
No,
Avalon Meta scene?
no,
Okay.
because it is
Thank you, sir.
finance today, right? That business model is when we do business model. Do you know when we do business model?
No, sir. I am not active on Avalon Meta scene. I am
Okay.
pursuing my
So,
CFA. So
if you're not
so
active, then why
my
you want to invest so badly into this company?
sir, I am always take your session and I follow you in YouTube. I recently my laptop switch off. I start taking your last session. I'm not too much active in on Avalon Meta scene, but I
Okay. So on
personally follow
Sunday,
you on YouTube.
understood. On
Okay.
Sunday we do this, man. So on Sunday we have startup Sunday. So that time you can ask your questions over there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, last question. Sorry
Bro,
for
bro,
taking
you
the
won
video,
one
sir.
crore. You won. Chalo, you won. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? You're
नहीं
करोड़पति.
नहीं
You
नहीं
win.
सर नहीं नहीं sir, last question, please. Sir, what's your
Okay.
take on SBI? I am too bullish on SBI, and what's your take? I
Why are you
predict
too
that
bullish?
SBI gonna be, sir, because
Why?
people when the lockdown start, people start putting their money on SBI. They think they are the safest bank on India, and they they have like the old old kind of thinking these things like near my house and near everywhere in my family, they putting their money on like like, and people, I am 400 and it's trading on 423. And what's your take on
See, the
SBI?
one thing that I know for a fact, which even you're saying, is that SBI will never disappear in the future. Correct?
Yes,
If all the banks in India,
yes, yes,
so from that perspective, isn't SBI the most safest stock you've ever seen?
yes, sir.
So what you're saying, you're bullish on SBI because it is safe, and everyone's saying it is right.
Sir, but now they are trading 423. It's I think they might correct their stock price. I think it's might be trade on 399.
Okay, then what you'll do if it trades at 399?
They
Now, will you
might
wait
trade
till
because
399?
no, sir, I'm not. I hold SBI share 175, sir. I think so. Their price stock will be correct like 399, like you
Yeah,
already
so
said.
when it corrects, you buy more. When it is not correcting, you don't buy.
Yes,
Right? If it's either which way, if you're saying it's the future stock, keep buying. No, how does it matter?
yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Love you,
Yeah,
sir.
awesome. You have won 1 crore.
Okay,
See,
sir.
all the
From
people
you?
left the stage and went. There were like too many questions you asked. They went off.
नहीं
Tell
सर
sorry to them.
सर sorry everyone, sorry Avalon
It's
Meta
okay,
team
man. I'm
members,
just
sorry.
joking. Relax. Everyone understands. Everyone's patient. Don't worry. Right? There's no such thing as good or bad answers. Okay? Or questions. Everything is all right.
Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure to
Thank you.
connect it.
Bye.
Hello.
Bye, sir.
Hey, man. Hey, Ronak.
Hello.
Hey, Ronak. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Yeah. So I have a couple of questions. Yeah. So first
Yeah,
one
tell me.
is why people are backing Tata Motors. The EPS is a negative, and the share price is also decreasing and increasing like as usual. So what's your take on
Correct.
that? EPS
Uh,
negative.
okay, that's because I'll tell you why people are betting on
EPS
Tata
back.
Motors. People are not betting on Tata Motors for the EPS. People are not betting Tata Motors for their current share price. People are betting on Tata Motors for the future share price and the future EPS, which is going to be after a long time in the future.
Yeah. Basically, when EV sector booms.
Exactly. So today's
Okay.
value does not matter.
All right, all right. And another thing was, how do you manage to, manage your time basically? So you have so many things on plate, and how do you do it basically? So people like us, like I'm just 18 years old, and I have no idea how to manage time and all. So how do you do it?
You start getting better slowly at what you do, and time suddenly becomes a little extra for you. So that keeps happening, right?
Yeah,
Like for example, if you have to make a presentation, it will take a long time for you. If I have to make a presentation, it will take me much faster than you,
correct.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Understood.
Cool,
Okay.
man. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Ron. Cool, man. Bye. Did Arun ask a question already? Arun, did you ask question? No, I guess. Okay. Go ahead, Arun. Arun is not talking. Can you guys hear Arun? He just unmuted himself, but I can't hear him. I should win some award, dude, for sometimes, like, I think how I have such patience level. You should give me some award for sure. But it's part of the job, so can't do anything. When it comes to work, I'm very ethical that way, right? करना पड़ता है जो करना पड़ता है. Okay, Arun, I think Arun's not talking. So I think we will, yeah, Arun's not talking. Arun's like, I don't want to listen to Shashank. I'm bored. Why are people bored? Okay, awesome. Chalo, anyhow, it's fine. Arun, thank you for your contribution. Amazing question. So, guys, I hope this was fun. Should have a meeting in 10. Okay, guys, I hope this was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay. Again, lot of questions, lot of normal questions, lot of patience testing questions, but everything is fine. Don't worry. Okay. Chalo, awesome. See you guys. Bye. Have fun. Great day.